gapped all of them, dude. I really did to them. What is up, guys? We are back with another video, and we are on the way to go pick up some stuff from our local dispo shop. Let's get it out the way real quick. First off, thank you for subbing up. We've had a lot of subs in the last couple of days, which have been fire. Also, everything you see is CGI. It is all like edited in and all that. This is all computer screens. This is not a real SRT at all. Just kidding. This is a SRT Durango for real. Just everything else you see is fake. But we're on a movie set. Yeah, that's a good way of putting it. We are on the way to go to the dispo, pick some stuff up. If you like this type of film stuff, like, comment, and subscribe. Ooh, there's a BMW. It's though. Dang. We're gonna be riding in sport mode today, so we're also gonna take the back road and just see what happens.
Bumps, that's what'll happen.
Bumps are gonna happen. I know this Kia can't drive. And that Ram didn't put on his lights. How is he in the turning lane going straight? They try to jump out, that's not good. So as you can tell off of just the beginning of this, today is going to be an interesting drive. Hopefully we see some fun cars on the road, and we can also get some feedback. Or not feedback, but some, fun stuff in. Should I go down the bar or the other one?
I don't know where we're going.
To downtown. Oop, camera was way off. I'll go down that one over there. We'll go by East High School. Yeah, so as you guys can see, in Alaska right now, there's not... Oh, I need to get a car wash too. My windshield is super dirty. Holy crap.
Spray right now.
I think it's also the inside.
Damn.
As you can see, on the side of the streets and everything over here, there's no or very little snow left. So street sweepers should be out soon, and we will be on the motorcycle, and we'll be giving motorcycle content here soon. I'm super excited. I haven't worked out any of that yet. I haven't done any test runs, so you guys are going to get raw footage on that stuff, but it'll be fun and cool. And then also coming up on just car content, I'm thinking about getting some mods and stuff after we come back from Thailand and installing them, showing you guys how to do that. More daily drives and stuff. And then also just car meets and just trying to get into the car community as a whole, because I'm not really involved with anything. But all that's going to be coming up, which is going to be super cool. I'm sure I'll get clowned by some of the JDM boys and everything because they hate SRTs, and I'm sure we'll clown some of them because we hate them. No, I'm just kidding. Cars are cars, and they're kind of fun. I have never been into other type of cars though. I was saying my homie at work has a Subaru. It's blue with white rims. It's so nice, but I am just not like a Subaru or like any of that Honda, Toyota Celica type drop builds and shit. It's like, no, I'm not into that.
No car, new car.
No car, new car over here, buddy. And I know I mentioned this in my old car, but I've literally had a Chrysler, a Dodge, a Challenger, and now this. So I've literally had Mopar for a long time. A Dodge Ram. Well, that was back when they were Dodge Ram. Now they're just Ram. They're their own, their own company type thing. And the next car is going to be a Dodge TRX or Ram TRX, however you say it. It is a nice day outside though.
Too shabby.
Not too shabby at all. That's a funky looking truck. That Honda Ridgeline.
They were also doing some funky looking moves, just staying there. It's like that car was waiting for them to go. They were waiting for that car to go. And then they didn't even get in the same lane.
Yeah. It's like, what the hell? Ooh, I can see a Challenger coming towards us right now. I wonder what that is. Ooh, he's flying too. Oh, it's SXT. Yep. I farted at him. Man, oh, guys. So, I'm driving into work one of these mornings. And like I just mentioned, I used to drive a Dodge Challenger SXT as well. It was a 2019 all-wheel drive. It was my baby. And I tinted the back window, and I'm impatient. So I bought the tint, and I was going to wait for somebody to do it, but then I ended up doing it myself, which left like bubbles and some marks and stuff. I was driving into work, and I saw my car on the road, or my old car on the road, and it was washed clean, well taken care of. Some dude had it, and man, I flipped out. I don't know if you guys have ever seen your old car on the road and just seen like, oh my God, it's still driving and all that. Man, that's how I felt. I missed it so much though.
You can find the video in his Reels or in his TikTok.
Yes, I think I did put a short on it too.
Short, my bad.
Yeah, but I did put it on Instagram as well. So go check out all of those stuff. Check out my shorts, and I'll try to also post a snippet of it right here. Everything
is on What's Up with Eli.
That's my old car. That's my old car, bro. Look at the tint. No way. It's my baby. She's on the road. But yeah, that was super cool. So now I know my car is out there on the road. Maybe I'll get to see it at one of the car meets or something, and I'll be able to tell him. I tried to stop the guy to talk to him, but he didn't want to talk. I think he was afraid. He's like, why is this guy hanging out his window at me? Really just taking this street so I can see if the pebbles are bad. It looks like they actually street sweep this one. I like to take this road on the motorcycle because it's pretty curvy. In Anchorage, this is right next to East Anchorage High School, so there might be some cops in this parking lot up here, but usually there's no cops on this road. But today it has a lot of traffic too. This is East Anchorage right here, or East Anchorage High School.
In East Anchorage, so you're not
East
wrong.
Anchorage. It's a pretty big high school, but it's nothing like the lower 48. If you want to take this and show them a little bit. They got the East Thunderbird mural and everything. It's Alaska Native muralage and stuff, but yeah. That's one of the high schools in Alaska. Oh, Carly did go there. I think did Carly graduate? Ooh, TRX right there. Oh my God, black on black, so sexy. But yeah, my sister went to East Anchorage for a little bit. We lived in East Anchorage. My little sister went to East High School for a little bit. I said that wrong. I don't know. I'll have to ask her. Ours are still so dirty. Oh. These massive Broncos have been showing up crazy. Everybody has them now. They're a fan of the military up here. They're like, I joined the force. I need a Bronco. I can't say anything though, because you know I'm in SRT and I'm basically a part of the statistic. So that's f***ed up. Whoever laughed. Somebody else laughed when they watched this. Let's see if we can try to get around some of these fools. As I proceed to not get around or try to get around anybody. I didn't even have to hit the gas. I just light throttled it. This is the sucky part about doing any of that stupid shit. You get caught with these fucking red lights from death. Oh, look at the puppy. Oh, look at the little puppies. They're so cute and precious.
Their ears are fluffy.
I'm not going to point you guys at them because the lady driving the truck is also looking at me crazy style.
I think she wants to race.
And I'll mess all these people up.
You gapped her.
I gapped all of them, dude. I really did to them. I think they wanted to hear it. That's the real thing. Ain't nobody out here today. I'm trying to find them, y'all. Ooh, look at that Corvette. I want to buy a Corvette one day, too. But I want an old Corvette. Mara, you would hate the Corvette I want. You'd be like, ew, gross. Oh, look, there's more pups.
Why would I hate an old Corvette?
I just don't think you'd like the style of it. I'll have to, when I edit this, I'll put it in the video, and when you watch it, you can see it. And then you can tell me like thumbs up or thumbs down. See? Told you. Man, I can't wait until everything's green and nice. How long do you think it'll take? A month?
I don't think we'll be here for it.
Oh, that's right. We're leaving. Guys, stay tuned for some Thailand adventure stuff. I don't know if I'm going to be dropping it on this channel or my first channel, but either way, we're going to Thailand. We're going to be messing with elephants, tigers, and just going to see a whole new environment. So if you want to see stuff like that too, make sure you subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I know this Audi next to us is pissed because this car just cut him off. He snoozed, he loosed. He should have been redlining that thing. I've been seeing them out. So I know they're out doing stuff. Oh, I just saw the motorcycle up there. I think that might be what I go home and try to do.
Motorcycle.
Try to start my bike and see what happens. LiftedTrucks.com if you want a bad lifted truck. I don't know why he did that. And he cut the lane off.
No, they get 2 lanes on
Oh, do they? Oh, never mind. I'm a bad driver. He's really trying to show out. Ooh, look, motorcycle. I wonder if they just traded it in. And then if you guys also hear my brakes, bro, I have ceramic brakes. I just want that to be known, like the squeaking and all that. I've been doing some research, talking to some people, and that's why. All right? All right. This is going to be a little longer of a video. I'm going to cut it down. Oh, there's Vi. He must have just left work. Hi, Vi. He's been driving that car for a minute. You know, when I bought my Ram truck, Andy Woodruff, he had a Ram, Vi had a Ram, Mike Vanya had a Ram, and then I got my Ram. We all had like the same trucks in different colors. It was really cool. It was pretty cool. No lie. Cereal, no milk.
Story, no lies.
Story, no lies. Oh, I love the way this thing just like pops. Ooh, what kind of Audi is that? Is that one of those Lambo Audis? Ooh, I'm gonna have to go look at that. No RS8? No, that's not no RS8. Kind of look like it though. All right, guys, we just pulled up. If you like this type of stuff, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. It's What's Up with Eli. We out.